Welcome to Overland Travel Adventures. Today I'm going to do a quick update on the Biolite Firepit. As you can see, our little Biolite Firepit is getting quite a bit of rust. So what I'm going to do is hit it with some barbecue grill paint and just repaint it up and make it look nice again. Jackson is going to use the spray can here and he's going to spray some paint. He's shaking it up. We put some paper bags around here from Rayleigh's and he's going to spray and cover up that rust. Go ahead. See, there's quite a bit of rust that's built up right there. As you can see, the Biolite is pretty rusty on the top here. Look at that. Rust all inside. So Jackson's just going to hit it with the paint. So Jackson finished putting the black grill paint on the Biolite and covered up the rust. It looks a whole lot better. That should keep it working for quite a while longer. And if it happens again, we'll just put some more grill paint on there. But definitely something to be aware of if you have one of these is that they do rust pretty easily and you want to protect it. Okay, so now we've got the Biolite all painted, and we also painted the pan over here for me. They also we painted the rack here, just used a silver grill paint. So now we're gonna take this and put it back inside the Biolite, reassemble it. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna reattach the battery here to the Biolite. This is the battery pack. Some of the Biolite products, the first generation of them, they actually used wood to charge a battery. This one, you charge the battery at your house, stays charged, and you can use it to charge a mobile phone or something like that, but it also has a fan that helps the combustion of the Biolite. So we've just reattached that, and then we'll put the little hibachi grill thing that goes on top here. I decided not to paint this at all. I think it's stainless steel, but I don't know, it's getting kind of rusty, so probably not. But we put food on here, so we're not gonna put paint on there. So now it's been repainted. We've got the grill painted silver, the outside of the Biolite painted black, and we've reattached the battery and put it back together. So it should be ready to go camping again.